Hi, I'm Jenny from Butterfly Conservation. We work to conserve butterflies and moths, and we have a vision for a world where butterflies and moths can be enjoyed by everyone, everywhere. Today we're in Mount Wise, talking about the importance of butterflies and moths and looking at some of the species that you might see in the urban landscape at this time of year. Butterflies and moths are a crucial part of the food chain, providing food for birds, bats and rodents. It can take around 30,000 food items to raise one blue tip family, and caterpillars make up a big part of that. Butterflies are important pollinators too, and moths also do a lot of pollination work at night. In the late spring, keep a lookout for the orange tip butterfly nectaring on early flowers. They love dandelions, buttercups and bugles. The males have striking orange tips to their wings, but the females have black wing tips. They have a mottled green underwing, which helps to tell them apart from the green-veined white butterfly, which you might see in the same areas, but has very conspicuous dark veins. Their caterpillars feed on garlic mustard or cuckoo flower, so you might be lucky enough to spot them egg-laying on one of these plants. They like damp, grassy areas, so keep a lookout for them along verges. You might also see the holly blue butterfly, which lay their eggs on holly and ivy plants. And keep an eye out for peacocks and small tortoiseshell and comma butterflies, especially if there are nettles about. It's always a joy to see a butterfly, but they are suffering huge declines. 4 species of butterfly and over 60 species of moth went extinct in the UK in the last century. In the last 50 years alone, 80% of UK butterflies and 33% of moths have declined in their abundance or range. They're declining because of changing land use, more intensive agricultural management and habitat loss. Woodland extent has gone down by 40% and we've lost 98% of our flower-rich meadows. Climate change is having an impact on our butterflies now, and pesticide use is another contributing factor. Urban gardens are really important for butterflies and moths. They are natural corridors providing safe havens for pollinators to refuel on nectar and pollen, but research has suggested that home uses of pesticides contributes to pollinator decline. Many pest control chemicals can harm bees, butterflies and moths. Some pesticides are systemic, meaning that once the plant has taken up the pesticide, everything that is produced by that plant will have some of the pesticide poison in it, even the pollen and nectar, which can be really harmful for insects. We can all do our bit to help nature in our own areas by choosing pollinator-friendly gardening practices. Avoiding the use of pesticides is key to welcoming pollinators into your garden, as well as choosing pollinator-friendly plants and putting aside areas of your garden to grow wild in order to shelter butterflies and moths at all stages of their life cycle. When you spot a butterfly, take a photo and tag the Pollenize campaign. We want to see this campaign have an impact, so we invite you to take part by signing the Pollenize petition to help initiate a conversation with the local council to see a pesticide-free Plymouth. For more information, please visit the Pollenize website and keep an eye out for the rest of this campaign across the Pollenize social media channels. And you can go the extra mile by supporting Butterfly Conservation's Wild Spaces project. Our website explains how you can get involved and create a wild space to help butterflies and moths to thrive.